Students, today we are covering from the book Concepts of Physics by Hcverma, Volume 1, Chapter 3, Rest and Motion, Kinematics. From that, the end of the chapter, there is questions for short answer. From that, we are taking the first question. Here you are seeing the question is like this. Galileo was punished by the church for teaching that sun is stationary and the earth moves around it. His opponents held the view that the earth is stationary and the sun moves around it. If the absolute motion has no meaning, are the two viewpoints not equally correct or equally wrong? See, students, to understand this, first of all, we have to understand that what is a reference frame? Reference frame is the set of coordinates. Is a set of coordinates from which you view an event or an object. So let us say that you are in the reference frame of a room. I'll make a symbol structure of a room like this. Say this is a room. In this room, let us say that there are two persons. Say one who's A and other B. Let us say that A is moving around B. Then if A moves around B, then B observes that A moves in the direction shown by black arrow. This is the way B observes it. A moves around B actually. Now you imagine that A is observing B. A is observing B. To A, B appears to move. How does it appear to move? In the direction shown by the red arrow. A moves from right to left, and to A, B appears to move from left to right. To A, B appears to move in the direction shown by red arrow. To A, B appears to move. Remember, only A is moving around B. B is not moving. Still, to A, B appears to move in the direction shown by red arrow. Now, with this idea being clear, we can say that, let us say A is Earth and B is Sun. A is moving around Sun, B Sun. Earth is moving around Sun. So, to person in sun frame, Earth appears to move as shown by black arrow. Next, to person in Earth frame, sun appears to move as shown by red arrow. We can say like this that church was observing from Earth frame. Church was observing from Earth frame, and therefore sun appeared to move around it. Therefore, church viewpoint is correct. Whereas Galileo was observing, or Galileo was observing as if he is outside the sun. Like Galileo was like this. He is observing as if he is neither in the earth frame nor in the sun frame. He wanted to do the actual finding, and that actual finding he was expressing that Galileo was observing as if he is outside both frame, and therefore he observed correctly. He observed that earth moves around the sun, and his viewpoint is correct. So what can we say in the regarding the question that, see, if the absolute motion has no meaning, are the two viewpoints not equally correct or equally wrong? They both are equally correct. That is the answer to this question.